Welcome to Changing Body and Health. This video is for informational purposes only. Starting with learning how to determine protein needs during dieting and choose the best protein sources. Protein plays a critical role in dieting, whether the goal is weight loss, muscle gain, or overall health improvement. It supports muscle preservation, promotes satiety, and helps regulate metabolism. However, determining the right amount of protein and choosing the best sources can be confusing due to varying recommendations. Let's review how to calculate protein needs during dieting and identify the most effective types of protein for different goals. Determining protein needs. 1. Factors that influence protein requirements. Protein needs are not one-size-fits-all. Several factors affect how much protein an individual requires. Body weight and composition. Larger individuals or those with more muscle mass need more protein. Activity level. Active individuals, especially engaged in strength training, require higher protein intake. Dieting goal. Weight loss. Higher protein helps preserve muscle and control hunger. Muscle gain. Higher protein supports growth. Maintenance. Moderate intake is sufficient. Age. Older adults often need more protein to prevent muscle loss, sarcopenia. General protein intake guidelines. Protein intake is typically measured in grams per kilogram or kg of body weight. Sedentary individuals, 0.8 grams per kilogram. General dieting, fat loss, 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram. Active or strength training, 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. Aggressive fat loss or muscle preservation, up to 2.4 grams per kilogram. Example, a 180-pound or 82-kilogram person aiming for fat loss may need 1.6 grams per kilogram times 82 kilograms, which is approximately 131 grams of protein per day. Adjusting protein intake. Protein intake should be adjusted based on progress. If losing weight too quickly, increase protein to preserve muscle. If feeling constantly hungry, increase protein for satiety. If strength is decreasing, increase protein intake and evaluate calorie deficit. Why protein matters during dieting. 1. Muscle preservation. When in a calorie deficit, the body can break down muscle for energy. Adequate protein intake helps prevent this and supports lean body mass. 2. Satiety and appetite control. Protein is the most filling macronutrient. It reduces hunger hormones and increases fullness, making it easier to stick to a diet. 3. Thermic effect of food. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats and carbohydrates, slightly boosting calorie expenditure. Types of protein. Which are best? 1. Complete versus incomplete proteins. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids. Incomplete proteins lack 1 or more essential amino acids. Best choice, prioritize complete proteins, especially during dieting. 2. High-quality animal proteins. These are typically complete proteins and highly bioavailable. Chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, fish, salmon, tuna, cod, eggs, dairy, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. Benefits: high in essential amino acids, rich in leucine, important for muscle maintenance. 3. Plant-based protein sources. While some are incomplete, combining them can provide full amino acid profiles. Lentils, chickpeas, beans, quinoa, complete protein, tofu and tempeh, nuts and seeds. Benefits: high in fiber, support heart health, good for plant-based diets. Protein supplements, convenient for meeting daily protein goals. Whey protein, fast digesting, ideal post-workout. Casein protein, slow digesting, good before bed. Plant-based powders, pea, rice, soy blends. When to use: if whole food intake is insufficient, for convenience around workouts or busy schedules. Timing and distribution of protein. Protein intake is most effective when spread evenly throughout the day. Aim for 20 to 40 grams per meal. Eat protein every 3 to 5 hours. Include protein post-workout for recovery. Practical tips for meeting protein goals. Include a protein source in every meal. Prepare meals in advance, meal prep, choose high-protein snacks like Greek yogurt, protein bars, eggs, track intake using apps if needed, prioritize lean protein when dieting to control calories. Conclusion: determining protein needs during dieting depends on body weight, activity level, and goals. Most individuals aiming for fat loss or muscle preservation benefit from consuming between 1.2 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Choosing high-quality protein sources, especially complete proteins, in distributing intake throughout the day can significantly improve diet success. By combining proper protein intake with a balanced diet and exercise, individuals can optimize fat loss, maintain muscle, and improve overall health. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel today, Changing Body and Health. Thank you for watching.